Good morning, everybody. I'm here today with another video for reading. We're going to go over our sound oi. We're going to learn about some syllables, and that'll be about it. I do have a helper today, so if you hear some noise in the background, that's just my Connor bear. He's just doing his work at school just like I am. So he's doing his work on the computer kind of like you guys are doing your work. So we will go ahead and get into our lesson for today. Before we do our letters, we have to worry about sounds, right? So we're just listening for how many sounds are in these words. So you're going to have to give me a number, okay? Our first word is oil. What's the word? How many sounds are in oil? 2. What are they? Oi, ol. Okay, the next one is join. What's the word? Join. How many sounds? Join. J, oi, n. The last one, let me hide myself so you can see the picture, is spoil. What's the word? Spoil. How many sounds are in spoil? If you said 4, kiss your brain. Sp, oi, ol. Let's do a couple more without pictures. So let's do the word joy. What's the word? How many sounds are in the word joy? How many sounds are in the word noise? Three. How about point? How many sounds are in the word point? 4. It's a tricky one. P, oi, n, t, point. Nice job. All right. Let's move on to reading a couple of words. Remember, our sound is oi, like in the word boy. It is spelled 2 different ways. We have O-I and O-Y. Both of them say oi, all right? So let's go ahead. I'm going to hide myself so you can read these couple words. What's this word? Sp, oi, ol. Okay, read this word. Coin, joy, toy. Nice job, guys. All right. There it goes. I can identify final stable syllables. So we've learned about different kinds of syllables. If you remember back in our year, we learned about closed syllables and open syllables and syllables that have sneaky E. These are called final stable syllables because they come at the end of a word and they all have LE. What do they all have? LE. So if you look at this picture that I have right here, we have the word bubble. What's the word? So if we, actually I'm going to bring myself back. If we come back and we test it to see how many syllables, remember it's how many times does our mouth go down. So bubble, 2 times, so there's 2 syllables. And bull is the second syllable because it's got our final stable letters. It's LE and the letter in front of it, okay? So here we have a final stable syllable is, can you guys read this with me? A final stable syllable is when we see LE at the end of a word and there is a consonant before the letters. What kind of sound has to come before the letters? A consonant. They make the sound ol. What sound do they make? Ol. The consonant plus LE are all in the same final syllable. So right here, we have the word table. What's the word? Test it with your mouth. Table goes down twice, so there's 2 syllables. We split it between te and bull. Here we have the word simple. What's the word? Test it. Simple. Simple. That's how we would split it apart. So let me give you a couple for you to check. All right. Here's 5 words. I want you guys to write them down and see if you can figure out where you would split those. So we have the word candle. What's your first word? Then we have the word apple. What's the word? Title. Puddle. Marble. So go ahead and push pause, write all of these down, and split them however you think they should be split. All right, guys, let me make myself big. So you had 5 words. Let's check and see if you were able to split them correctly. So we had our first word, candle, which is candle. Apple, apple. Title, title. Oop. Puddle is puddle. Marble is marble. Did you get all of those? Remember, final stable syllables have LE and they're going to take the consonant before the LE, okay? So that is really all we had today, is just reviewing quickly our oi sound. We'll go ahead and read some more of those letters and words tomorrow, and then reviewing or learning our new kind of syllable. I hope you guys had fun. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!